It's been over 3 weeks since Stayzilla founder Yogendra Vasupal was arrested by the Chennai police on charges of fraud, remanded to judicial custody and denied bail multiple times. Well, that case drags on. CNBC TV 18 Jude Sannith reports that the Stayzilla matter may have opened up a can of worms and infused fear into the heart of the startup community.
In April 2015, Chennai-based HR services firm PiCube secured $500,000 in funding from the HR fund to develop new technology. Its founder, Jaydev Mahalingam, then signed a deal with tech firm NFN Labs, under which PiCube would pay NFN a variable monthly retainer towards development. But in late 2015, post-delivery, NFN says the payments just stopped.
He agreed to an invoice, we raised an invoice. He said that the money is coming, it has been already sent to the bank. He wrote an email, and I think I have posted it already. He wrote an email that the money has been sent to the bank, and then he claimed deficiency of services.
NFN Labs claims PiCube owes it 12 lakh rupees. After the Stayzilla case made headlines, NFN's Gokul Visveshwaran wrote a blog about his experiences with PiCube. The blog, which also contained emails between both companies, urges other vendors in similar positions to speak up. And one vendor that isn't backing down is Jigsaw Advertising, whose complaint has landed Stayzilla in legal quicksand.
See, in March 2016, they had cash and cash equivalents of 43 crores, and they still couldn't pay us. We are just a proprietary firm, a middle-class, small-scale vendor. That's all. So if they don't pay, where else do we go? We went to the law.
These two cases are just the tip of the iceberg.
The events of the last 3 weeks have exposed cracks in Chennai's startup ecosystem. While some vendors have criticized their startup clients and the way they do business, others feel that it's about time vendors tightened their due diligence norms and ramped up action against defaulting clients.
If a vendor knows his job, he can today apply for a company to be wound up. If the startup wants to remain in business, he will negotiate.
When CNBC TV 18 reached out to PiCube about the tussle it's involved in, founder Jaydev Mahalingam wrote back saying, NFN Labs agreed to complete our product within a specific time frame and with a specific feature set, but failed to deliver this. We learned they were deliberately slowing down production. So this was a case where our vendor tried cheating us into paying more. End quote. These spats, however, have gone beyond just management teams and vendors. Entities that invested in these startups are also entering the fray. One of Stayzilla's 2 private equity investors we spoke to said, "We have lost our investment in Stayzilla, but not the belief that Yogi and team tried their best to create a large company. We should not lose sight of the bigger picture, that a civil dispute has been converted into a criminal one using influence." End quote. So it looks like the honeymoon period for many startups is ending, and reality, it seems, is not all they thought it would be. In Chennai, Jude Sannith.